Hey guys, this is Salman here. This is my second case for Note 7 that has just arrived. Um, there it is. I've put up the links on Facebook. Okay, this is the company Xeon mobile cases and pouches. Alright, so this is what I've got. So now I'll be unboxing it and see what it is. Is it worth it or no? I'll use it and say within a couple of days I'll give you the review of how the case is, how does it work. Let's go ahead and unbox these cases. Okay, so plastic is off. This is the paper that I got for my purchase on Amazon. Okay, here you go. This is the name and the description of the case. Shockproof, water resistant and stuff. The total amount is $5.99. That is approximately $15 in US. Okay, so by the way, good. Okay, there goes nothing. A lot of packaging. Okay, this is how it. This is what came in the box. The actual case is right here, pretty nicely wrapped. Difficult to open up all these things, but yeah, bubble wrap done. Let's see how it comes out to be. Okay. Alright, so this here is the case. It's a clear glass. This is what it is. Best quality premium products. Nothing in the back, nothing in the front. So yeah, this is the case. If you see front, this is the back. Very nice design, durable. The volume rock is properly mentioned. Yep. The power button, the cutouts. Okay, so I'll get back with the review in a couple of days.